Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Hopefully you are fine and doing great at your home with your families. Beta, we have done reading of poem The Owl Light. So today we will do main idea of the poem and how we will learn how to write the main idea of any text, including poem as well. So first of all we will mention classwork. After that date, which is Monday 20th July 2020, subject English literature, textbook read now and page number 1. Topic Owl Light, it's a poem. Exercise number 1, write the main theme of the poem or main idea of the poem. What is the main idea? Main idea is the most important part the author is making while writing. So the whole text based on the main idea. Strategies. So now we will learn how to write the main idea of the poem. Use title and headings. First of all, we have to know what is the title. Use topic sentence. Topic sentence is the first sentence used in your text. It may be a poem, it may be a story, it may be anything you are reading or you want to write its main idea. Use concluding sentence. The end of the text, the end sentence of the text is called the concluding sentence. Look for repeated ideas, what they are repeating again and again in the poem or in the text. So this is your poem. I won't read the whole poem. I will just read the start and the end. What was the name of the poem? The Owl Light. What was the name of the poem? The Owl Light. So you can understand that this poem based on the owl. What they are trying to discuss in this poem? The lifestyle of an owl. Okay, now we will read the topic sentence. The first sentence of the poem. When the pale moon rises above the sea. So beta, it is totally a different. You can't guess anything from this one. When two with two woo sounds overhead. So concluding sentence is also, we can't conclude anything from the concluding sentence as well. So what we will use, the last line I told you, what idea or what thing is repeating again and again. When the pale moon rises above the sea, the owl flies out of the ivy tree. What is flying? Owl. And the small birds quiver, the little mice quack, as he goes his way by the wood and lake, and his odd notes echo the farmyard through. Now again in this whole stanza they are again repeating owl and they are using pronoun he, referring to the owl. So this whole stanza was about the the owl. So you can conclude that in this poem, they are trying to write about the lifestyle of an owl. We know that owl flies at the night. So beta, you can take help from this. From this also, I have written the main idea of the poem. You can take help from this text also. This poem is written by M.E. Sargent. I have written the name of the poet. The poet in this poem beautifully describes the lifestyle of an owl. I already told you. He says that when it's time for everyone to sleep, owl starts to fly, wander and sing. Now they are telling what owl does when everyone is sleeping. He starts to fly, wander and sing. Owl takes noiseless flight that you can't even listen anything related to when he is flying. You can't listen he is flying, and enjoys the light of full moon. So beta, this was our poem and its main idea. You will write the main idea of the poem and send me picture of your work. Okay beta, hopefully it will be helpful for you. If you have any kind of problem, you can send me message or contact me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.